Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am making Hyderabadi egg Malai curry with few ingredients which are easily available at home. Ingredients you need: 300 ml of milk, that is 1½ cup of milk, a small bunch of coriander leaves, 4 boiled egg, 2 medium-sized onion roughly chopped, 4 green chilies, 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala. First we make a masala paste for the egg curry. Add 4 green chilies, few coriander leaves, and 2 medium-sized onion roughly chopped. Add little water and make a fine paste as shown in this video. In a pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and add masala paste. After 2 minutes, add 1 teaspoon of garlic and 1 teaspoon of ginger paste and mix well. Let this paste cook for 15 minutes in medium to low flame. This is very important step to take away the raw taste of onion. Now the masala is cooked well and the color is also changed. Now reduce the flame and add 300 ml of milk and mix well. Add all the powder spice, that is half teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and salt to taste. Mix well and let it cook for 3 minutes. After few minutes of cooking, you can see the curry has the creamy texture. Now add the boiled egg and place the egg the way I have shown in this video. And close the lid and cook it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, turn all the eggs . Again cook the egg for 2 minutes. And garnish it with freshly chopped coriander. And Hyderabadi egg Malai curry is ready to serve with roti, parota and food of your choice.